rejoicing in great good fortune, with a pure heart parted from error, frank, faithful, of humble appearance, I render 1,000 mercies with sweetness to love. For a rich joy, from which good may come to me, that you gave me with noble, worthy help. You lady in whom worth reigns, there where you drew me from fear. Then with sweet sign, you made a sweet beginning to me of pure love, that teaches me to love secretly the charming you, in whom good worth advances and worth grows for you. For as the best, I chose you without doubt when I gave myself to you as a servant. And when I have memory of this, I have joy, and after fear that you, in whom I have my hope, may look at your power and that elsewhere you may love, so that you forget me, who holds myself with all my sense to do everything that suits you. For of nothing else do I have thought, lady, all that my heart deigns, my desires and my wishes are you, whom I beg, let no harm hold me. For the joy you showed me, frankly, let no slanderer or diviner make me lose it. For I carry praise of your honor, and you make me a pledge of yourself in the manner of a pure lover. I love you so much that you love when I don't see you, whom I adore. So constrains me and shakes me that my heart burns, and from my eyes I weep from grief, just as the green wood in the burning fire weeping catches fire. And I fear that the grief may put me out if I cannot see. Be false in anything from which I lose my joy. It's right that my lady keep me, for she made me from nothing. If she takes what is hers, she does no wrong nor ill suiting, for which as authority I'll bring the Lord of piteous, whom honor and worth guide and help. Sovereign advances with great worth, and wants to have love in the manner of France for long